the aha moment for me was I actually tried uh, playing around with zk-TLS. So Deco, is a very old technology. It's been around for a very long time, but it was never commercial grade. So no one could really deploy it in production. But Reclaim was one of the first to actually enable it. And so I tried the Credit Karma integration. I think this was in September, and like my mind was blown because it's like when I can trustlessly and in a privacy-preserving manner extract your off-chain uh, traditional credit data. That is a significant unlock because it means you can actually do sustainable and scalable underwriting in crypto, which was like you couldn't do that before. The second thing was you could leverage Plaid to actually build up a very uh, robust and low overhead onboarding mechanism, so that you have that recourse if you need it within the United States. So like three things all align, and it's like, okay, it's time to actually bring this to market. And so yeah, that was in September, and we've been building it since.